Hi, thanks for checking out our video here. This is just a little show and tell video of a Speedrite 63000R. There is a model made by Stayfix. It looks just like this basically, but it's a green case. It's called an M63R or whatever. But anyways, this is a 220 version. I think they make a 110 volt version too. I don't know, but this particular one's a 220 volt version. But if you got one of these units you want us to work on and that's not working right, don't attempt to take it apart and work on it or look at it or whatever. There's so much going on with these big units like this. You'll probably just end up making it worse than what it needs to be, and just send it to a place like us that works on these things for a living. So if you got a Speedrite or Stayfix of this model or any other brand, just send it here and we'll take a look at it. It's a free quote. Yeah, it costs you money to ship it, but the thing's like $2,500, whatever they are, give or take, for a new one. So, you know, 30 bucks, 50 bucks to ship it. It's pretty cheap to ship compared to buying a new one. So anyways, this is one that we fixed for a customer. We'll power it up here. I got a little 220 volt power supply deal here. There it goes. Let me plug it into to power it. Now we'll test it here. We're getting about 9,500, 10,000 volts, somewhere in that range. So it's hot and heavy, working like it's supposed to. Put this wire across and see if you can get a good spark out of it. So, working like a dream. So if you like someone that can work on them and get them fixed up for you, look us up on our website, fencerfixer.com. We'll also work on cattle scales and low bar for True Test and Gallagher's and some other brands, but those are the two biggest ones that we work on brand-wise. So Gallagher scales and True Test scales and the EID tag readers as well. Cattlescalerepair.com is the website for that. There are links in the description down below that you can click on and go straight to it, but I'll just pause the video, type it in, and look us up that way. Well, that's it for this little video. We're going to package this up, send it back to the customer, and move on to the next one. So if you got one, send it on in here, we'll fix you up.